Nature.
Like Jurassic Park up in this piece. Like, what? What is that? What?
Guys, there are plants everywhere. It's spring. Why? This is not a drill. Hide. It touched me. It touched. Oh. Fungus. It's fungus. Jumping. Yeah, you're on? Okay. Here we have a tree, as you can see. And as you can also see, it tends to have, what's that stuff called?
Bark.
Oh, it tends to have bark all over the outer ring of the tree. So if we were to cut it down, we would see, well, you can see how old a tree is by counting its leaves. So it would take a long time. So just don't do that. Okay. Okay, wind. Could you stop it? The nerve of some nature. Okay. Here you have a leaf. And the leaf, as I've already said, represents a full year in the tree's life. And when it's winter and they all fall off, the tree dies.
That's not how it works.
Did you study this? No, I studied this. A full hour on Google. Thank you. Cut the camera. I can't. You can see a fallen tree where obviously they try to eat people. Look at this. What? What is that? Ew, what is... Here you can see some live Venus flytraps. They're obviously trying to eat me right now. I mean, like, ow. But, like, it's dangerous. Stay indoors. Stuck on the other side of this dangerous plant. My photographer is also stuck. This could be the end of us, everybody.
Mom.
We're supposed to look like we aren't in civilization. Gosh, nervous some people. Here you can see nature in its fullest form. We've got leaves and trees and get out of the... Over there, you can see some pointy sticks that'll surely impale us if we go over there. So we're gonna go this way, where that log that looks like a dragon is sitting. Oh Lord, there's thorns. There are thorns. I'm okay. I have to go to the other side to explore. Probably gonna die. Wish me luck. I haven't been on this in a long time. Right here you can see someone was trying to build a house. They used mud and bricks. Clearly man-made here. Those are bricks for sure. And then it ate them because it was also made out of trees, and that's dangerous. So just stay away from nature, kids. It'll eat you. Oh my God, did you just hear that? We out, we out. Oh my God. Help me! Come back!